Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is another video on manifesting, and we'll do a video on energy work as well. And when your energy field is lighter, you see your triggers, you see your awareness, your thoughts, your beliefs. That's when the acceleration happens. That's when manifesting happens at a rapid pace, at a more expedited pace. So this is that momentum that I was talking about in other videos of finding that core in your alignment of your heart and your soul, that desire, that I am in the presence that's before everything. Because this takes awareness, this takes focus and training. It's not too hard if you break it down every single day, 5 seconds. Any given hour, you stop all thinking. Or another method would be to catch your thoughts by writing them down on your notes or on a piece of paper, just making that note. If that's not possible because of work, because of school, then try to catch it mentally, the meta awareness of catching it mentally, like literally catching it without the physical writing. So do this practice over and over again until it becomes natural. Then you can see these self-realizations, these epiphanies, these enlightenment stages. It might take around, I'd say, like 21 days. So it does needs to build up that momentum and persist of this trajectory. And it's like a muscle. The more you do it, the more you can actually see and feel and grow that energy and that spaciousness to separate the dots. And that awareness also grows too, and awareness always expands. I mean, there's that general awareness of everything's in your peripheral, like your sense perceptions, and then there's that direct awareness that you can use for a focal point, whether it's from your point of view as a body or another person's point of view, or in a more cosmic point of view. So for energy work, there's a lot of triggers you could always deal with by looking at when your energy is stagnated, whether it's through emotion or what someone said. Redirect that into how it applies to you. How does it apply to yourself and your triggers? Because essentially it is a feedback mechanism in the environment. So when you get triggered, you get to see and feel, like this phone call as a trigger for this video. It's like, why does that bother me? Well, does it? Something like that. Maybe it's a memory where you had a phone call and you're interrupted, or there is this noise in a hospital when there's phone calls, or it's a person's voice. So you could go back with this memory, and the memory is in the mind, and you can create this and let it go. You could create this therapy revision process where you accept it, you put your awareness, you put your attention, your flow into it, and then you can let it go, almost like a bubble disappearing. You're doing this more often, and this memory, this thought form or perception or sensation or emotion, it almost becomes like a game. It's like a thought comes up, pop the bubble, let it go. Release, detach, let go. All these words, same thing, let go, detach. Detach from the result, detach from the actual material sense perception, or whether it's a thought or recurring thought process, let it go. So essentially that's what meditation is for, to release and let go. Vipasana, apologies if I miscorrectly pronounced it, but it's putting that attention on your breath more and more. And in deeper states of meditation, what happens is your body isn't the one that's meditating, it's the I am, it's the experiencer, the source. But this is deeper levels. For energy work, what is true is deeper to you and your consciousness and your psyche. What triggers you, what triggers your reality. And the reality, like I said, is a feedback mechanism. So you can sense a certain vibe, because thoughts are frequency, thoughts are vibrations, thoughts are things. So see those thoughts come in your own internal mind that come and go, and then the external, you'll see that loop. So you catch yourself. So instead of feeling bad about feeling bad, you're feeling good, you're excited about feeling bad, as it is optimization data. You get to see, if you do this process correctly, the root belief, like a domino effect. You go back into maybe 20 years ago, you found this trigger, this belief, how it changed your perception on things, and you let go and attach to it, or you reframe it, create that new meaning. In a lot of psychotherapy, you do a lot of re-meaning, re-emphasizing the memory of the same thing. But the biggest thing is all is now. The future and the past is all eternally now. It's just the memory, it's just a mental construct of the past or of the future that makes it separate. But the time space is still here. Everything that's ever occurred and possibilities are here. Hope this helped. Leave a question below, comment on the YouTube section. Thank you so much for the feedback on these comments and everything. Like and subscribe, share this if it helps with other people that are into that state of mind. Yeah, you guys are the future. Thank you so much for watching.